Good morning. I am Karthikeya, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management and Catering Science. Now we see the topic for invalid cookery. Invalid cookery. It is the cooking for sick. The person who cook the sick, the person are called tired chef. While we prepare food for sick, you should be keeping in mind it should be easily digested and moreover it should be cooked in clean and hygienic condition. Third one, food cooked them should be cooked in such way that does not loses its nutrition. Fourth one, in invalid cookery, cleanliness and good appearance are the great importance. Food and medicines are used to physician direction, but after the kinds and the quantities of food have been designed, the nurse has still much as which she is the personally responsible. She must select the prepare and serve the food. The diet are roughly divided into the liquid, light and dry. Liquid diet is useful of course in the case in which solid food cannot be taken. The milk is important among the liquids so used. It is given in the pure states or various diluted. It is used hot or cold and may be flavored with the ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, chocolate, coffee, lemon, etc. Some way in which milk may be used. Next one, there are at least two reasons why it is necessary that the nurse learn as easily as possible amount of food required by the patient. First one, he requires the sufficient amount of nourishment. Second one, if too large an amount is served, is delicate the stomach will sometimes rebel when the proper amount would be attractive better by the serving too little than too much. When preparing the meals for the patient, arrange the dishes on the tray before beginning the cooking, that there may be no delay in the serving when the food is ready. See that the tray large enough to admit all the necessary without crowding, but do not have much vacant space. Perfectly clean tray should be covered with the clean, well ironed the tray cloth. The dishes should be prettiest the house affords, and if colored should be such as the present peaceful restful effects. When the patient has so far the recovered as to be out of the danger and need the nourishing food to be build up the system, care if often the necessary still to avoid the over serving, and the patient need the variety of well cooked food. Point to be considered for the invalid cooking. Consult the doctor. First one. Second one should be nutritive. Third one, the balanced diet. Fourth one, mode of servicing. Fifth one, light and small quantity. Next one, menu planning techniques. The proper planning referring to chart records. Third one, refer to the menu. Fourth one, desirable all the classes, sets, age of the people. Fifth one, advance making. Fifth one, rechecking the menu. A few rules to be observed in the cooking for the invalid. Let all the kitchen utensils used in the preparing invalid cookery to be delightfully superficially clean. For invalid, never make a large quantity of one thing, as they seldom require much at the time, and it is desirable that the variety to be provided for them. Third one, in sending the dishes or preparation up into the invalid, let everything look as tempting as possible. Have a clean tray cloth laid smoothly over the tray. Let the spoon, tumbler, cups, saucers, etc. be very clean and bright. Gruel served in the tumbler is more appetizing than when served in the basin or cup and saucer. Next one. As milk is an important article of food for the sick, in warm weather let it be kept on the ice to prevent its turning the sour. Many other delicacies may also be preserved the good in the some manner for some little time. If the person be allowed to eat the vegetables, never send them up undercooked or half raw, and let me small quantity only be the temptingly arranged on a dishes. These rules will be applied to every preparation, as in the invalid is much more like to enjoy his food if small delicate pieces are served to him. Never leave the food about the sick room if the patient cannot eat it. When the brought to him, take it away and bring it to him in an hour or two. In boiling it for the invalids, let the white be just the set. If the boiled hard, they will be likely to disagree with the patients. The mutton chop, nice cuts, trimmed and boiled to a turn is in the dishes to be recommended for invalid, but it must be served with all the fat at the end, or nor must it to be thick, nor must it be too thickly cut. Some good example for invalid foods are milkshake, eggnog, apple water, tamarind water, flaxseed seeds water, cream of tartar cheese, Canberry water, buttermilk, egg gruel. Thank you.